The city of Calgary is interested in looking at LoRaWAN for their Industrial Internet of Things project. What really excited me about LoRaWAN was the ability to send data over long distance at low power, and the fact that the standards are open source software or components that you can buy online and do it yourself. We actually set up a small network, a LoRaWAN network inside this building for ourselves. And then when the city got involved, that was just a perfect match. We have 2 gateways that we actually built ourselves. One gateway is a simple gateway that is called a single channel gateway, and another gateway that is a fully functional gateway with 8 channels supported on the gateways. The city has 3 commercial grade gateways, and we have access to those gateways as well. We also created 5 different devices, end devices, to communicate with these gateways. Again, those devices, 5 devices, we built them. We are using a Raspberry Pi board here to control the transceiver chip here that sends and receives LoRaWAN signals. And then I have the end device here. We have the microcontroller, the LoRaWAN transceiver. This device here has an integrated sensor that monitors humidity, temperature, and pressure in this room. The city also provided us with a few commercial grade end devices to compare with those devices that we built. We did a lot of measurements for that project. Basically, the main goal was to see what kind of coverage we get in a city like Calgary, and the result that we found was even with just 3 gateways, a good portion of the city of Calgary was covered. You cannot build many types of smart city applications if you don't have long-range connectivity. For us at the university, we are still continuing with our research on LoRa and LoRaWAN. 2 directions we are following. One of them is to look at the actual network protocols for LoRaWAN and try to come up with algorithms and techniques that we can optimize or improve the performance of these networks. And another direction is related to applications of LoRaWAN. We have a very interesting project that is related to forest monitoring when you don't have cellular coverage. So your only hope is to use long-range communication, and LoRa, because of low power consumption, is an ideal choice. Something I like people to know about LoRa and LoRaWAN is that it's so simple to use. There are all kinds of tutorials, forums, like DIY user groups that have a step-by-step instructions to do it. Everybody can set up their own Internet of Things network and start using this.